Security in today's world is extremely important, especially in using our own computer. Some people want to explore things but the resources are not good enough. What if someone's intention of borrowing your device is to find out the password of the internet to which you are connected? I think this video is the most important thing you should watch. Hello everyone, I'm Jeffrey Antonico Diaz and this is the significance of old school technology. In this screencast, I will demonstrate to you how to show saved Wi-Fi passwords on your portable computer. But it's too much deeper from what you know, especially some of the articles posted in internet. Because in this activity, I will create a simple script file that would actually produce an XML files in just a few seconds after launching the program. By the way, what is XML? Extensive Markup Language or XML is the markup language that defines a set of rules for encoding documents in a format that is both human readable and machine readable. Let us start creating Windows command script by typing cmd in Run dialog box and then press Enter key. In Command Interpreter, type cd space desktop and then press Enter key. Type copy space con space grr hack1.cmd and then hit Enter key. grr Diaz is the target directory. Launch the program by typing grr hack1 and then press Enter key. To see all XML files located in grr Diaz folder, simply type explorer space c:\grr Diaz and then hit Enter key. As you can see, there were 6 XML files stored in grr Diaz folder. Here's the content of XML file. When thinking about IT policies for business, it's important for all staff to understand the importance of protecting company data and laptops while working away from the common workplace. As a piece of advice, don't leave your computer unattended. Always lock your computer. If you think this is useful, share it to those you think are interested. May God bless us, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe.